Hey folks, hope you're well. Welcome to my first Greater Toronto Area Market Pulse video update for 2021. My name is Sam Najjar and I'm a real estate broker with Royal LePage. We are already 1 month into 2021. Crazy how time flies. COVID is still around. We're in the middle of our second lockdown, but with multiple vaccines here and with the vaccine rollout happening as we speak, hopefully things will start to look better soon. Today's update will focus on 4 areas. I'll be talking about the December numbers in the whole of 2020. I'll be comparing the 2020 numbers to 2019. I'll be looking at prices and sales over the last 5 years, and I'll be providing an outlook for 2021. So let's get started by looking at the December numbers. Despite the pandemic and the slower time of year over the holidays, sales and average prices in December 2020 were up by 63% and 11% respectively over the same time in 2019. The months of inventory, or MOI stat, which defines whether a market is a seller's or a buyer's market, was low as we are in a seller's market. The days on market, or DOM stat, was low as well. This next chart shows sales in each quarter of 2020 and 2019, and what you see is that sales were up year over year in each quarter except for the second quarter when the pandemic began and everyone was panicked and did not know how to react. These next 2 charts are very interesting as they show sales and average prices over the last 5 years. Sales in the GTA were the 3rd highest in 2020 despite a very sluggish second quarter in the pandemic, and average prices were the highest ever at over $915,000, representing a 12% year-over-year increase. It's actually the second highest number in Canada after Vancouver. Demand and sales are high because the interest rates are low and they're not going up anytime soon. Secondly, the inventory is low, and that's a supply issue that has defined the GTA for some time now, and that's further compounded now because of COVID. Not everyone wants to sell their house in the middle of a pandemic, and some are worried about selling and not finding a place because of the hot sellers market that we're in, or they're simply just delayed listing their house because they're having a hard time finding a new home. With demand high and supply low, we're seeing many bidding wars in the GTA and outside in the suburbs and the exurbs, leading to higher prices and forcing buyers to adjust their expectations. It's worth noting that these increases in sales and prices are predominantly in the low-rise categories of homes, these being the detached, semis, links, and the townhomes. High-rise condos were the most impacted by the pandemic because of people moving away from the urban centers and the smaller condo spaces due to the COVID disease and the newer work-from-home policies, the change in the Airbnb rules and that turned the investors away, and the lower immigration numbers. Looking ahead into 21, I predict that total GTA sales will reach 100,000 and will surpass the 2020 numbers. I expect inventory of homes to start to build up as people get vaccinated and we start to build herd immunity. And I expect demand to stay strong with low interest rates and with the government starting to reopen its immigration doors as they start to get a better handle on the pandemic. That's it for now. I hope you found this information helpful. If you're planning to buy or sell, or you're just curious to know what's happening in your local market, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have and would love to hear from you. In the meantime, please like and share this video. And if you're watching it on YouTube, please hit the subscribe button. And also follow me on my other social media accounts to get the latest videos and market information. Have a great day, everybody. Stay safe, and until next time, take care of yourselves. Bye for now.